Hello students, today we are going to do some book work of our second unit, which is Peshawar. So let's start from the questions and answers. There is exercise on page 12 and we are going to start from exercise A. So I'm going to first read the questions and I'll explain all the questions and give you some hints, and you have to write the answers by yourself. Exercise A. Write the answers in your notebook. And also you have to do this exercise in your notebook or your copy. Question number 1. How far is Peshawar from Khyber Pass? You can find the answer of this question on page 8. Peshawar is not that far from Khyber Pass. It is only 48 kilometers to 13 miles from Peshawar to Khyber Pass. Now the next question is, which pass is used to travel from Peshawar to Afghanistan? There is only a single pass in Peshawar which is very famous and which connects Pakistan to Afghanistan. And in the presentation I have mentioned the name of that pass. Question number 3. Write 2 facts about Peshawar to prove that it is an old city. Now you have to write any two points or facts about Peshawar that shows or proves that Peshawar is an old city. You can write about the bazaars of Peshawar. Like Qissa Khani Bazaar is a very famous and oldest bazaar present in Peshawar. And you can write about the Khyber Pass. It is also an old pass which was 1963. Question number 4. Name any 2 famous landmarks of Peshawar. Now you have to write any 2 famous tourist places or any 2 famous places which are present in Peshawar. So you can write some of the famous places that are present in Peshawar are Qissa Khani Bazaar, Chowk Yadgar, Khyber Pass, Warsak Dam, Islamia College, Mohabbat Khan Mosque, Peshawar Museum. These are the few landmarks or famous places which are present in Peshawar. Now I'm going to tell you the question number 5 and I'll explain it to you, and as I told you that you have to write the answer of all of them by yourself. So question number 5 is, how is the Warsak Dam useful? As you all know that a dam stores water. So what does the people of the country do with the dams? They generate electricity with the water that is stored in the dam, and they use the water that is stored in the dam for farming and in homes for cooking and for many reasons. So that's it. Exercise B. Find the words hidden in the puzzle. Complete the list. Okay. In exercise B, we have given a word crossword puzzle and we have given a list of many things. So first we have to see the list of the words that is given to us, and then we have to take the help of these words and try to find these words in the crossword puzzles. And then you have to fill up the words that are missing. I will make it easy and I will fill the first one. So I am telling you the first one, which is Khyber Pass. KHY is written over here, and you have to write BER, and then P is written. You just have to write 8 and double S. Then you have to find this word in the crossword puzzle. Exercise C. Complete the sentences. Choose from the words in the box. Here we have given some sentences and we have to fill up the blanks by the help of the words that are given to us. So the first one is, Peshawar has very dash summers and cold dash. Okay, you just have to pick up a word from the box that is given to you in this exercise, and you have to write those words in the blanks given in this sentence. I'm telling you this and the words that is missing in this sentence to make it easy, and then you have to do the remaining one by yourself. So this sentence is Peshawar has very hot summers and cold winters. Exercise D. Write true and false. Here we have given some true false. I will explain each of the true and false to you, and then you have to then it's up to you whether you write true or whether you write false in front of each of the sentence. So let's start it. Peshawar is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Is it true or not? Well, I think Peshawar is a major city and it is the capital city of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa too. So I think that should be true. I'm telling you this just because to help you out, but you have to do the other ones by yourself. The only way to travel to Peshawar is through the Khyber Pass. Is it true or false? I think we have many other ways to travel to Peshawar. Now, Peshawar is near the Arabian Sea. No, I think Sindh and Karachi is near the Arabian Sea. Peshawar is on the northern side of Pakistan, whereas Arabian Sea is on the southern side of Pakistan. Peshawar is a new city like Islamabad. I don't think so. Islamabad is a new city, okay, but Peshawar is not a new city because it is very old. Like I told you the story about Qissa Khani Bazaar, and it is really old. So I don't think that Peshawar is a new city. Qissa Khani Bazaar is an old bazaar in Peshawar. Is it true or not? I think that is true because Qissa Khani Bazaar is really an old bazaar. Islamia College became a university in 2008. Is it true or not? Well, if you want to confirm it, then you can see it on page 11 under the heading of Islamia College, and that so that you will get to know the right answer of it. People speak only Pashto and Hindko in Peshawar. No, I don't think so. People in Peshawar also understands English and Urdu, and they also speaks English and Urdu. Now here I've made a small glossary for you guys to understand the words that are hard or difficult, and I have mentioned the meanings of each of the words that are hard. But now I'm going to explain each of the word to you briefly. So let's start it. The first one is landmark. Landmark is a place or object that is easy to spot because of its size or its importance. Means landmark is a place that is very important for tourism because it is very attractive, and it's have a huge size. It doesn't matter whether it have a huge size or not, but a landmark is a place that is very famous because of its importance or because of its beauty. Pass. A road on high ground through mountains. Pass is a place that is high on a mountain and that connects two cities or two countries. Bazaar. A street or an area of a town where there are small shops. Well, I don't think I have to briefly explain this word to you, as we all know that what are bazaars. So, I'm just thoroughly telling you that bazaar is a small area or a place where we go for buying things and where there are small shops. Dam. A thick wall built across a river to hold the water back. Dams are built to store the water for generating electricity and for farming. So, basically dam is a small, dam is a river-like place which holds the water back by building a thick wall across it. Trade, to buy and sell something. Trade means to buy something or to sell something. Buying and selling something is called trading.